Hello everyone and welcome. I'm going to be demonstrating my Artpro nail machine today. I'm just doing a simple design which is already pre-programmed into the printer, and I will talk a bit more about its capabilities whilst it is printing the design onto my nail. So the printer actually has thousands of designs in it already, and you just have to scroll through and flick through and find one you like. In this case, because I've got Gelish Tokyo A Go-Go and a bit of sparkle from the nail space on, I've put my accent finger in white Arctic Freeze, and I'm just going to pick the design that I want, which is this one, and it'll print it onto my nail. So we click on this button. What we do is we insert our finger into the machine, press it so it's secure in place, and then we just have to adjust the borders so that there's a little gap all around the side. So we've got to make sure we're comfortable first. So we need to move it in slightly and move it down, and then this side again we're going to move the bottom up slightly, and I'm satisfied with the gaps around the edge. Now I've got a protector around my finger, so any ink that goes on my skin is going onto the protector as opposed to directly on my skin to avoid overexposure. Once we're happy with the gap around the nail, what I'm going to do is click on my design here. It shows it on the nail. If you didn't want it in that direction, you can actually turn the image around, as you can see, until you're happy with it. You can also change the colours by pressing this button. So that's it in purple, blue, light blue, turquoise, mint, green. So it's fully customizable to what you want. But as I said, I'm sticking with the pink today. Once you're happy with the design and you're comfortable, you just press the OK button and it will start printing. Now, the great benefits of this machine is that it's very versatile, so it can print onto normal nail polish, it can print onto gel polish, it can print onto hard gels, and it can print on acrylics. And it's great because it will last as the polish does. So if you're just having a standard manicure, it will last sort of 5 days to a week, depending on how long the nail varnish lasts on you. And because I use Gelish, on gel polish it should last you up to 3 weeks, and then acrylics and hard gels it'll last as long as the extension lasts, but I do recommend you come in for infills between 2 and 4 weeks. Now, one of the great things about the machine is, as well as the pre-built-in designs that you can change colour, it's got this little camera icon up here, so you can actually take selfies of yourself or camera shot any image you have. So you can print a selfie onto your nails. It also has a USB port in the back, which you can connect to any computer, and then you can choose any design, any image, any logo, anything you want, and then print it directly onto your nails. It's actually just a normal inkjet printer, so all the ink is just dropped into the position of the design that you want. As I said, it's very versatile with the colours that you can choose from. Designs are constantly added throughout the year with different seasons, so Christmas, Halloween, Easter, St. Patrick's Day. So there's bound to be something for everyone. If not, pick a picture and we can put it onto the printer for you. I will be doing further demonstrations using photos and things, but as I say, to get this one started, I just wanted to show you a basic design. So that's now finished. We can take that out. As you can see, that's the design printed there. And as anticipated, the ink has gone round the edge, which means we've got full coverage of the nail. So ideally you'd let this dry for a few minutes, but for purposes of the demo, I'm going to peel the surrounding area off straight away. So we've usually tried to do this very carefully. Just get the protective layer off. There we go, and drag it all the way through. And there you go. What we do now is, because I've got it on Gelish, we just put a normal top coat on, and then it'll last as long as my Gelish lasts, which I can actually get up to 5 weeks. Personally, I get bored after 2 weeks. If you have any questions or you want to book an appointment with me,